Hello everyone and welcome on back to some more Dash Auto Repair. Today we are working on yet again a Mercedes Benz C300. It's the same one. And we are going to be replacing the brake lights. Not the LEDs, there are brake lights behind. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're replacing those. And we have the 4 right here, ready to go. So if you open the trunk, it's very simple to open the trunk, it's under key. There are 2 tabs. There's this one and there's this one. They both rotate and hold in place like that. We're going to turn them, move it down. You can take it off if you want. There's little tabs that it clips in. Okay. Surprisingly enough, the manual and everything were just right here. So honestly, that's not a bad spot for it. So we're going to focus our attention to the back side of these 2. We're going to take off a plastic bracket and then we're going to replace the bulbs. So stay tuned. Let's get to it. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're starting on the passenger side. See those 2 tabs? Kind of doing this on my iPhone because it's a pretty tight spot. There are 2 tabs. This tab and the one over there with my pinky touching. Obviously we need to remove those tabs and just pop it out. Let's see if I can do this with 2 hands. Just kind of shimmy it out. All right, she is out. So it's just like I said, it's those 2 tabs. Tab here, tab on the other side. You just push them in and then it pops out. Super easy. See how those are burnt out? Those bulbs burn out, they need replaced. So like I said, you just need to push these out. So you rotate them. So in order to install them, you push them in and turn. In order to remove them, you push and turn. It pops out, easy peasy. There's one. And here is the other. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to push in and turn. And there she is. Burnt out. Both of them. All right. So here's the new ones. But instead of putting those in, we're going to focus on the driver's side now. So same concept. See the 2 clips? One here, push them in. It literally just comes out like that. I always dog on German engineering, but Mercedes Benz knows what the hell they're doing. All right, same concept with this. Those are also burnt. We're going to turn it, pull them out. I'm going to turn it, pull them out. So now I have nothing to hold my camera. So I'm going to take these out, stop the video, and then you'll see me put the new ones in. All right, so it's going to be hard to do this 2 hands, but here are the new bulbs. Try not to touch the actual glass part of it, but if you do, it's all good. So to install these, as you see, we just left our electrical connector just chilling. To install them, you just fit them in the right spot, you push and you turn. See how that's in there now? It's not going nowhere. So we're going to do the same thing with this one, the other new one. We're going to put it on the other side. It's just going to be, it's going to be kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there we go. Okay. So just straight push it in and then turn it. All right. Now those are in. Now you could simply just put this thing back together. Back through here. These little plastic pieces. And just clip it in place. You can't really see that. There you go. All right, so we're gonna clip her back in place. I'm gonna make sure it's angled right though. All right, she's in there. We heard the clip. Clips look good. And she is solid. All right, that isn't going anywhere. So now to put this tab back on, see that little slit? Just do that, put it on, and turn. You replace the brake lights on this side now. Now we're going to focus on this side. Same sort of concept. Get your bulbs, push them in, push and turn. So push, turn. Okay, that one's in there. Now we're going to focus on the other side. And it's nearly impossible to try to do this without touching. I mean, you can wear gloves and whatnot, but my hands are clean. All right, so it's a little hard for you guys to see that other one, but I pushed that one in as well. So now we're just going to, sorry for the camera, such a tight spot, I wasn't quite sure what to do with this, but anyways, let's go ahead and put her back in there. Okay, gonna kind of angle this as best as I can, show you guys. Okay, that's it. Now she's in there. Cool, very easy. So, to put this back on, you just put it into the slits. And if you had an owner's manual back here, put that back. Also, this is a fuse panel if you ever have fuses that need replaced. A lot of them go here. So, simply put it back in place. Oh, my last slit down here didn't go through because of my service manual. There we go. I'm gonna put the service manual somewhere else, but there we go. Brake lights are complete. You just did a brake light job in a C300 Mercedes Benz. All right, like, share, and subscribe to the video, and look out for more videos. Dash Auto Repair out. Peace.